Epar Santos. Horses in. Horses out, one slow out, Crystalline La Sombra, pass to begin, Shadow Grove, Run of Mine, moving up, Mystic Dragon, and on the outside, Special Best, Pills Game, and Crystalline La Sombra, the leader by about 2 lengths. Shadow Grove in second, his Special Best is racing in third, then followed by Run of Mine, Pills Game, Mystic Dragon, and Crystalline. Into the turn they go, La Sombra by about 2.5 lengths. Shadow Grove still in second, his Special Best in third. Then followed by Pills Game by Drell, Run of Mine, Mystic Dragon, and Crystalline. They swing into the back, and it's still La Sombra by about 2 lengths. Shadow Grove, his Special Best remains in third, Pills Game. Mystic Dragon now to take fourth, Run of Mine, and Crystalline. La Sombra by only a length, followed by Shadow Grove in second, his Special Best moving up on the outside, Pills Game. Crystalline also moving up, Mystic Dragon, and Run of Mine. La Sombra moving up on the outside, Shadow Grove. Pills Game in third, Crystalline, Mystic Dragon. It's now Shadow Grove takes the lead, running by Drelis La Sombra, Pills Game in the Mystic Dragon. As they come down the last 200, Shadow Grove by a length, La Sombra, Pills Game, Mystic Dragon is running by Drella. But as the Shadow Grove, Pills Game on the outside, entering the finish line, it's Shadow Grove second, Mystic Dragon, Pills Game, La Sombra.
Shadow Grove tayo ng